Hello, welcome to DigiPring.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful mini glass fridge magnet. Whether you're making them for souvenirs, giveaways, or even for your small business, this tutorial is beginner friendly and easy to follow. For this tutorial, I'll be using Canva to create the design. First, open Canva and create a new A4 size document. Next, click Elements and search for Circle Frame. Add a circle frame by simply clicking on it, click Position, and enter the size 2.56 cm by 2.56 cm. Now, upload the photo that you want to use. Click on the image and simply drag it into the circle frame. Once everything is ready, download the design to your device so it's ready for printing. Now let me show you the materials we'll be using. Photo paper, scissors, E7000 transparent super glue, hard UV resin, round mini adhesive magnet, clear round glass cabochon, and a mini UV light. If you're wondering where I bought these materials, I purchased them online from Shopee and Lazada. They're easy to find and there are many sellers offering it for affordable prices. Next, apply a small amount of hard UV resin onto the printed photo. Then, carefully place the clear round glass cabochon on top, making sure it's centered. Press it gently to remove any air bubbles. Place it under the UV light and let it cure for about 60 seconds to 3 minutes, depending on the strength of your UV lamp. Make sure the resin has completely cured. And that's it! We have now our mini glass fridge magnet. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more DIY and personalized craft videos. See you in the next one!